Welcome to Module 4. In Module 3, you learn to feed Claude your own files so it answers from your world. But so far, everything it makes you is the same shape: text sitting in the chat, an answer you read, then copy out and format yourself. In Module 4, you get it to build you a real thing you can use: a document, a tracker, a page, not just another answer in the chat. Let's begin. Start here. Even a perfect answer, the kind you learned to get in the last lessons, still shows up as text in the chat. And getting it into something you can actually use, a formatted doc, a page, a tracker, that part is still on you. Copy it, paste it, clean it up. So we stop asking for an answer and start asking for a thing. When you tell Claude to make something, a document, a page, a tracker, it doesn't reply in the chat. It builds the thing in a window of its own, right beside the conversation. Anthropic calls these artifacts. There are 4 moves, and they go together. Ask for a thing. It opens beside the chat. Refine it in place, and take it with you. Let's take them one at a time. Move 1. Ask for a thing. Don't say tell me or write me an answer. Say make me a document, build me a tracker, give me a 1-page site, name the format, and Claude builds that, instead of typing a reply. Move 2. It opens beside the chat. This is the part that's new. It doesn't dump the thing into the conversation. A dedicated window opens on the right side of your screen, and that panel is your deliverable. Move 3, and this is the one that changes everything. Refine it in place. You don't start over. You just keep asking, make it shorter, add a column, warmer tone, and it edits the same thing right there in the panel and saves each version as you go. Here's why that matters. You're not regenerating a wall of text and recopying it every time. You shape one living deliverable, a nudge at a time, until it's exactly right. And if you overshoot, you just step back a version. Move 4. Take it with you. When it's right, get it out of Claude. Copy it to paste anywhere. Download it as a file, or publish it to a link that anyone can open. Ask for a thing. It opens beside the chat. Refine it in place. Take it with you. Together they turn an answer you'd have to reformat by hand into a finished thing you can actually use. Let's do a real one. Click by click, so you can copy it exactly. You just signed a new client. You want to send them a clean welcome. What happens next? How to reach you? What the first week looks like? First, the way you'd probably do it now. A good, clear ask. Write a welcome message for a new client, covering next steps, how to reach us, and what to expect in the first week. A wall of text right in the chat. And the writing is good. But look at it. No title. The sections all run together. And to actually use it, you'd copy the whole thing, paste it into a document, and format it yourself. That's not a deliverable. It's an answer. So let's ask for the thing instead. Same content, one change. Make me a 1-page welcome document I can send, with a title, clear sections, and a friendly tone. Now, watch the right side of your screen. A window opens beside the chat, and Claude builds the document right into it. A title, clear sections, formatted, done. That panel is the artifact. Look at the corners of that panel. Down in the lower right, 3 controls that matter. Copy it, download it as a file, and publish it. Up top, a version selector. This is where your finished work lives and where you get it out. Now, refine it in place. Just ask, right in the chat. Make it shorter and warmer, and watch. The document updates itself in the same panel, and a new version is saved. You never left, and you never recopied anything. One more way, and this one's just for documents. You can edit right on the page. Highlight the part you want changed. Here, the next steps section. Click Edit with Claude, and type turn this into a numbered checklist, and that section right there becomes a checklist. Now take it with you. Copy drops it anywhere you paste. Download saves it as a file, or click Publish, and you get a link that anyone can open. No account needed. Your welcome doc just went from a chat message to a real, shareable thing. Put them side by side. Same content both times. On the left, a wall of text you'd have to format and copy. On the right, a a finished document you shaped in place and can send with a single link. The only thing that changed is you asked for a thing, not an answer. Let's lock it in with one more together. Different job and a different kind of thing. You're juggling a launch and you want a tracker to keep it all straight. Ask for it as a thing. Make me a launch task tracker as a table with task, owner, due date, and status. And there it is, building in the panel beside the chat. A real table you can use, not a paragraph describing one. It's a table now, but a tracker is something you keep using and updating. So we refine it in place, exactly like the document. The table's built. The columns are set. One more ask turns this from a table into a tool you'll keep updating. What is it? Add a column. Add a priority column. And the table grows a new column, right there in the panel. Same 4 moves. A document, or a tracker, or a page. You ask for the thing, it opens beside the chat, you refine it in place, and you take it with you. That's the pattern. And now it's yours to use on anything. Quick way to know you did it right. 4 checks, and you can watch them against the thing we just made. 1. Did you ask for a thing, a document, a tracker, a page, instead of just an answer? 2. Did it open in a panel beside the chat instead of as text in the conversation? 3. Did you refine it in place by just asking instead of starting over? 4. Did you take it out, copy, download, or a published link? All 4 yes, and you've got a finished deliverable, not a chat message. And if you just got text in the chat again, it's almost always this. You asked a question, so you got an answer. If you want a thing, say make me a thing. Name the format, document, tracker, page, and it builds the artifact instead of typing a reply. So here's the one thing to take from this lesson. Don't settle for an answer in the chat. Ask Claude to make you the actual thing, then shape it in place and take it with you. Module 3 made the answer true, built on your facts. Module 4 makes it a thing you can hold, a finished document, tracker, or page that you shaped and can send. Good, fast, yours. In Module 3, yours meant you could trust the answer. Here, yours becomes something you can hold, a finished thing you made that you can keep and hand to anyone. And that's the top of the first rung. Everything you've learned so far, this is automation. You tell Claude exactly what to make and it makes it. One clear instruction, one finished thing. Next, you stop just asking and start thinking with it, going back and forth, shaping a weak draft into a strong one, together. That's the jump from automation to augmentation, the second rung. That's Module 5, and I'll see you there. Everything from this lesson is on a 1-page sheet, the artifact starter prompts. Ready to paste make me lines for the deliverables you build most. A doc, a tracker, a page, a checklist. It's free, and the link's in the description.